Okay, so I can right click, edit this one, edit well one. Okay, so the name, you cannot change the name. You still can change the status of each connection to each layer. Okay, but the most important thing for us now is the control. Here we can set the tracer. Okay, and take this one tracer and let's name as per default. The face is water underscore one, and we put the concentration of the tracer to be one. All right, and that's quite easy and safe or not. Okay, I think I need to show you the data first. Okay, I want to show you that there is actually nothing so special. The title, start, metric, okay, and then unified, oil, water, gas, this gas, okay. This gas is for saturated reservoir, and then implicit, diamonds, tech teams, and so on and so forth. You don't see any keyword mentioning about tracer, right? I can also control F. Let's click tracer down or up, nothing. Okay, so there is no tracer keyword here originally. So as opposed to the previous case where we input the keyword of tracer. So I click tracers like here before in the previous video. But now we don't need to use the keyword. Okay. And what else? Files, the grid. This is the grid, nothing so special. And then schedule. In schedule, we usually find W tracer. You see, we don't see any W tracer. So we do not rely on keywording in this case, and that's okay. Okay, so now right click, edit well, control, tracer, save. Okay, and after we save, there is nothing changed so far. Okay, and then let's go to the next time step. It's now time step 35, I think. And we can also show the well names so that you can know. Okay, so now this is our well, and let's move to time step 35. Here we have well 34. Previously in time step 34, well 34 was still producer. Okay, here. And then in time step 35, the well now become an injector. Okay, and the same thing like what we did in well 1. Okay, we also want to change it, or we also want to put tracer. So right click, edit well 34, control, tick on tracer, and now this is the name, and the concentration of the tracer is 1, and save again. Okay, and then I think pretty much that's all. And yeah, we can go to the original time step and let's run. Okay, and you see now under calculated we have ASP flood and tracer, and now we have tracer 1 and tracer 34.